Hey Cadillac people, good day to you all. So time to vacuum the 59. I'll put it on fast forward so you guys aren't too bored. It's really hot outside, so I'm trying to get this done fairly quickly today. But then also my next video is going to be a first wash video. So I hope you guys will tune in again for this. Every time I start up this car, I love it a little more. So we'll see. Thanks for joining the video, guys. Let's get started. So I'm vacuuming out underneath the back seat of the 59. Definitely one of the most interesting finds I've ever found in a car. I found a bullet. I'm guessing it's probably a 22. It's very small, but I think it's pretty awesome. This car truly never ceases to amaze me. I don't want to move it forward or back because it's in the position that I need it to be for driving. But check this out. Even the seat works. So there's the tilt. You can either tilt up or tilt back. And it works like a charm. And there's this one that moves the seat like so. So crazy to me. But again, it still works, so utterly amazing. All right, so that's it for the first preliminary vacuum. We got all the dead bugs off the dash. So now I'm going to cut this video and make a separate one because we need to do a first wash. You can see all the dirt and grime in the door jambs, but hey, it's not rust, so I'm super happy. So yeah, this is it for the preliminary vacuum. Everything's, a little cleaner than it was, as you guys can see. So you can at least see the floor mats now, and I can't wait to start detailing the dash of the car because it's just full of dust. It needs dust repair or dust to be gone. And I might even consider replacing the dash with the cap that I found in the back so the dash looks better. But anyway, all right, first wash video coming up. Hopefully you guys will tune in. Have a blessed one. See you later.